So today's helpful how-to video is going to be on removing this door panel on what year is this, boss?
01 Buick.
01 Buick Lesabre. It should be, you know, pretty common car. If you're watching this video, you probably own one and need to, you know, get the door panel off. So let's just jump into it and get started. The first thing you will need to do is pop this up. This pops straight up and then pulls out, and you can unplug all that. So go ahead, boss, and pop that up. What a bug. Yep, we leave him alone, and then you can unplug it, bossy. Now, once you got this part done, the next part will be popping this off. This pops off the same way as that did. Just like so. And you can see the clips on the back of this. And don't forget to unplug it once you get it loose. Now, the next step will be to pop this off. This just pulls off the same way with a clip. And unplug it out of the way. Now, once you got all this, the next step will be to pop the clips down the side. There's a special tool for this, but sometimes you can use a one-way, but it may crack your door panel. So take your time and pop that loose. Whoa, how about fell? Just like so. And if you look, you got clips behind this. If you see the clips, that's what holding your door panel on is these clips. And these clips do break from time to time depending on the age, so be expecting that. And once you do that, sometimes you have to pick up on this because it rests on here. But as you've seen, we didn't have to. It just, you know, you have to watch it. Yeah, that is the little clips that pop out. See, that one broke inside this. Right here, that's broke, so you know, won't be using this no more. But on the back side of your door panel, you got plenty of room to unplug everything if need be. These is your clips. So here's that one that broke, but there's a lot of them that ain't broke.
Get lucky.
So now we are pretty well done with the door panel removal. And if you need to reinstall it, it goes on the same way. You just tuck it off, just less of a mess, you know. So I hope you enjoyed this helpful how-to video. If you did, leave a comment, drop a like, show your support for my channel by smashing that subscribe button. I have a new video soon. Thank you for watching.